Welcome to the program. Benchmark 3 review. Number 1. Well, anytime that you see terms with a dot in between them, that's the same thing as terms with parentheses. We think of multiplication. So the ones we have to watch out for are the terms with the negative exponent. In this case, the second and fourth terms. So what we'll do is the ones with the negative exponent, we'll rewrite them in the denominator. We did this many times before. We said x to the negative n. This is just the rule. X to the negative n is equal to 1 over x to the positive n. Okay? So x to the negative n is equal to 1 over x to the positive n. We can rewrite it with a positive exponent in the denominator. So let's do this one now. We have negative 4x to the third will stay up in the numerator. We're going to keep the 2 from the second term, but we're going to say y to the second in the denominator. So we brought part of that term, second term, into the denominator. The 5y can stay in the numerator, 5y to the fifth, but this is x to the negative eighth. We're going to bring it downstairs as x to the positive 8, okay? Now we can multiply our constants. 4 times 2 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, times 2 is negative 40. X to the third over y to the fifth, right? So downstairs we have, I'm going to write the x first, x to the eighth over y squared. Now we can do the subtraction of the exponents, right? X, just as another rule of thumb, this is an aside again, x to the m over x to the n is equal to x to the m minus n. All right, we did this many times before. So we're going to do 3 minus 8 for the x in our problem, and now we have negative 40 over 3 minus 8 is x is going to be negative 5, but that's x to the negative 5, so that becomes x to the positive 5 in the denominator. And we do the same for the y. You say 5 minus 2. This is going to be y to the third. So negative 40 y to the third over x to the 5. That is answer choice B. Okay, so the answer to number 1 is B. Going on to number 2. We're given, we start with the given, which is in parentheses, negative 5g to the fourth, h to the sixth, raised to the second, the whole parentheses raised to the second, times g to the fifth, h to the fifth, raised to the fifth. Okay? So we got to look at everything in parentheses one thing at a time. Negative 5, the constant in the first term, negative 5, we're going to say negative 5 raised to the second, so that becomes positive 25. G to the fourth raised to the second. As an aside, we're saying x to the m raised to the n is equal to x to the m times n. It's not adding anymore, it's multiplying. So 4 times 2 is 8, so this is g to the 8th. And then now we do the same thing for the h. H to the 6th, but it's raised to the second, so this is h to the 12th. Times g to the 5th raised to the 5 is g to the 25th. H to the 25th. Okay? Now we're multiplying, we're not raising anymore the exponent, so we say 25 to the g to the 8 plus 25, right? Because this 8 summed with that 25. And then we have h, 12 to the 12 plus 25. This whole thing becomes simplified. 25 g to the 32nd, h to the 37th. Okay? So that is choice B, right? Let's see. Choice C. The answer here is choice C. I should have said here 33, because 8 plus 25 is 33. So I put 32nd. 8 plus 4 is 32. So that's choice C for number 2. Thank you for watching.